Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to work on with the IMRA guide or how to do the write-up or reporting your research. Now, this is for the guided research for junior high school. So hoping this would help you on how to write now your research report. Let's have this one. The first part is known to be as the introduction. Now, in the guided research for JHS, so when you write this one, you start it with the background of your study, where you can get your background of the study on your first quarter presentation. So that's why it's very important that when you go on with this project, with this program, is that you need to look at now, or you need to go back to your previous work, which is the background of study. And then on the second part of the introduction, we'll work on with the problem formulation. In this part, you need to tell how you create the SOP, but do not state the statement of the problem. So how do you create the problem? And then what are the issues you need to look at as well? Not just telling that you created this one by the help of the teacher, but you need to look at now what are the problems or what are the curiosity that work on with how does the problem would be present on that research. So that's how you work out and then connect it with your background study. And then here you go with the objective because you have the problem that you formulated. Then you formulated now the objective of the research where you can also find that in your first quarter presentation. And then you end now the introduction, not end the introduction. However, you need excuse me, you need to look at the relevance of the study or who would benefit the study. So it works with the significance of the study. So who will benefit when the study will be created and then the result of this one. Following that is that under the introduction, we added this part which is the literature review. So we'll work that out. So you started with theoretical framework. So you need to look at now a theory that is similar to your research or like a springboard or overarching idea regarding your research or the basis of the research where you're doing it. And then in your second quarter presentation, you have at least three themes that we work out, and then those are the references. That's how you're gonna work that out, and there are titles that is basis of your statement of the problem. And then you end that the themes with a synthesis. So the synthesis is the summary of why there is a need to make the research. So you have three themes and then those are would be summarized and then would be interpreted in that. And then following that would be the research problem. The research problem would be the state you need to state now your statement of the problem or your SOP. And then ending with the introduction with what we call the conceptual framework where you also worked it out on your first quarter presentation. Now, here's some kind of workable. There are a lot of things that you need to look at. Now, when you go with the method, you start it with your design. So your design, if you're quantitative, there's a specific design that you're going to use. If you're qualitative, there's a specific design. Then after that, participant and respondent, who or what would be your data? And then instrument. So there are phases with the instrument with how did you create it and then how was it validated? So technically here you presented your instrument to the faculty of the junior high school. So it you need to put that, and then there are a lot of validation that they were being checked by your advisor, and that's how it works. And then on the process, you tell the narrative on how you gather now the data and how you're creating now your research. So that is now the process. And then data analytics, how you analyze now the data. And this would be on the latter part. Could be blank as of the moment. However, if you're quantitative, there are specific quantitative analysis and then there will be qualitative analysis. And then this is the new one. I want you to put now your declaration of use of AI. Where in the parts or what are the prompts or how did you use AI in creating now the research project? Now, let's go now to the result. The result is merely just working with the tables for quantitative and then models, and then you put it as an organized data and then presenting the data that gather. So it's just merely reporting what is inside the data, what's inside the table or the model that you're using. And then that's merely with that. If there are five tables, you need to work that out. And then you need to present it efficiently, like individual data. However, if it's important, you need to work that out. However, especially if you want, sometimes especially in the quantitative, you want to generalize, and then in your qualitative you want to put that in an understanding manner. So the model is really important, or like a word map on how to look at that. Now, in the discussion, you need to work out with the analysis, interpretation, and then infer if you test the result and then reflect. So this is how you write now, or how to solidify the result that you work out. When we say analysis, you break down now all the data that you work out. So if they're on the table, you see now the highest and the lowest, what comes interesting, the highest and the lowest, and then on the infer if there are significant difference or relationship. Interpret is the meaning of that. So technically, if there are in the qualitative, there are significant statement on the interview or the focus group discussion, you can put that as a reference. And then you put as well now you cite now some established studies or like literature to support now your analysis and inferences. And then you go on a reflection. The reflection would work with the methodological challenges on how the research has been made. So what are the difficulties, or like what are the challenges encountered during the time, and then the result as well. Sometimes the result would be not favorable to your likings. However, you need to put that on a reflection so that people that reading it that would believe in the validity and the transparency and the biases when you're writing it would be declared as well. So we'll work it out when it comes to the consultation. However, these are the four main ideas when I'm writing now my discussion in a research paper. Here, this is now the last part of the paper where you write, which is the conclusion and recommendation. Technically, if you have a quantitative, you answer, especially if you're testing, you work in with the answering the hypothesis. However, for qualitative, they say you answer now your assumption of the research, and then that also when you conclude, you go back to your objectives. You answer, did the research accomplish the objective? So that's why sometimes if you cannot answer the research question, you go back to your objective. You can declare. That's why we put as well methodological challenges in there so that there it would be a reality and there will be point of improvement when you present now your research. And then on the last paragraph is a recommendation. So the recommendation would work on the method or on the result as well. Like for example, if you test a certain level and then you want to improve that, you need to recommend something on the least level or the lowest level that you encounter on your result. So for example, for qualitative, if there are some issues regarding challenges, you need to put now a recommendation about that. So it will be coming from the result. However, all of this one should be supported by literature. That's it. So that's now your IMRED guide on how to write now your research project in that format. I hope you learned something with this one, and we can have some consultation. And research format is political, so this might be applicable to others, but not to everyone. So in the case of the GRES for GHS, this is the format that we're following. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.